Most people don't fail on YouTube or business because they're bad. They fail because they choose the wrong niche. What if AI could show you niches where people are already spending money before you even start? First, people are already searching for it. If nobody is searching, growth will always be slow. Second, advertisers are already paying money. This matters because ads, tools, courses, and services fund everything. Third, you can stay consistent long term. If you quit in 30 days, it doesn't matter how profitable it looks. AI helps by analyzing trends, search behavior, and ad competition at scale. Instead of guessing, you test ideas instantly. If AI shows high demand, high advertiser interest, and low creator competition, that's not luck. That's a signal. Niche number 1. Personal finance. Credit cards, investing, budgeting, and banking. Banks, apps, and fintech companies pay some of the highest ad rates online. One good video can outperform 10 viral entertainment clips. Niche number 2. Skills that make money. AI tools, freelancing, coding, automation, online businesses. People don't mind paying when they believe a skill will increase their income. That's why this niche scales fast. Niche number 3. Health and self-improvement. Fitness, discipline, productivity, and mental performance. This niche never dies because the problem never disappears. Courses, coaching, and brands spend heavily here. Good content gets views, but the right niche gets paid. Choose smart, and let AI do the heavy thinking.